Hey guys, Adam here with AmericanTrucks.com. Today we're taking a quick look at and installing the Roush by WeatherTech DigitalFit front and rear floor liners, fitting all 2015 to 2018 SuperCrew F150s. Now if you're the owner of an F150 and you're looking to keep your interior carpets clean and free of any stains or spills or anything that'll make it look like it's not directly off the factory line, then this is a really good option to go with. Roush obviously has a very big name in the F150 market as well as the muscle car market, and they've partnered with WeatherTech to make a really high quality floor liner that protects almost every inch of your carpet inside your front and rear cabs. As you can see, it's got a lot of channels and divots and dents and curves that keep all the messes or coffee spills, mud that you're tracking in from outside of your truck on a work day, keeps all of the mess inside of the mat and off of your factory carpets, keeping them clean. It's a really good way to go, and if you have factory floor liners in there, they're just not going to be as high quality as this one here. This is the high-density, tri-extruded, patented material from WeatherTech, and Roush again partnered up with them to make sure that this one is going to be as high quality as possible. It's got the Roush name right there on the side for the front and rears. To finalize the front ones that I'm talking about, as you can see, it's got the retention clips here to make sure that it stays in place while you're driving. It won't shuffle around or move with your feet. So there's no worry about having the messes kind of shift off of those floor mats and onto your carpeting. Now if we take these, flip them upside down, you'll see those retention clips there and more of those divots to make sure it sticks into your carpet. The one on the bottom here though is for the rear. Now as you can see, it's all one connected piece for the driver and passenger side, and it's a lot deeper than your front one, simply because this is going to cover not only where your passenger's feet will go in the rear, but also underneath of the seats themselves. It's covering the entire rear floor liner here with this rear one from WeatherTech. What that basically means is when you pop those seats up and say you're working with a work truck F150, you might have underseat storage that you're working with a lot, so you're constantly underneath those seats. This will make sure that that underseat storage, if you're pulling it in and out, won't get those carpets dirty. This covers everything you need to on the carpets, and again has those divots around the corners and those channeling along the sides here. Now, with all of that said, you can pick up this entire set here in that black charcoal gray finish for just about 220 bucks for the full set. My personal opinion, it's a well worthwhile price if you're trying to keep the carpets clean and you don't really want to spend money on cleaning solutions or professional detailing for your interior to get stains and messes out like that. This will just prevent them ahead of time. Anytime you want to take them out, it's as easy as pulling them out of your carpets, hosing them off. It'll completely just run off all of the dirt and grime. You can pop them right back in when they dry. The installation, with that said, if you can even call it that, 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter. It'll take 5 to 10 minutes at the most, and that even includes vacuuming if you want to give it a quick clean on your carpets. It's if you want to pull up any of the dirt and grime before you put this on your carpeting. Now, you don't want to put this on top of any carpeted floor mats that might come from the factory. Pull those out, set them aside for later if you want to use them at a later point. These will go on solely by themselves. And I want to show you guys how they go in. We'll use those retention clips from the factory and see how it installs. For the rears, all you want to do, pop up your rear seats to make it a little easier to work under them. So we're going to pop those up, collect our factory floor mats here, toss them on top of each other, and set these aside in preparation for the new WeatherTechs. All right, at this point, we've got our rear liners folded up here. You just slide them into place and they will fall in right under the front seats, and they will come right under the edge before the seat brackets on the rear. Once you have this in place here, all you have to do, pop down your seats and you can move on to the front. Up front here, starting on the driver's side, all we're gonna need to do is pull up on those factory anchor points right in front of your front seat. There's one on both sides. Once that's pulled up, set these aside. Now if you grab your driver's side WeatherTech floor liner for the front here, you're going to start by sliding these up under your pedals, line them up with your factory anchor points, and you'll hear them snap right in. On both sides, you'll see it lines up perfectly to your door sill. Now you can do the same thing for the passenger side. Right, essentially the same thing here on the passenger side, minus those factory anchors on our particular truck. So what we're going to do here is just lift up, fold in, and set these aside. You're going to grab your Roush by WeatherTech floor liner, start from above the seat, and slide that under the dashboard, sit it into place. Now, if your truck does come with those factory anchors on the passenger side, snap those into place. Again, our particular one does not, so we just set that into place and we're good to go. That's going to wrap up my review and install of the Roush by WeatherTech front and rear digital fit floor liners for the 15 to 18 SuperCrew F150. You can get your set right here at AmericanTrucks.com.